Introducing the all-new Rajdoot 350 2025, a perfect blend of classic design and modern engineering. This bike is built for riders who demand style, performance, and reliability in every ride. At the front, the bike features bold, sharp headlights that provide clear, bright illumination even during night rides. The strong front forks offer excellent stability and control, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces smoothly. The front fender and bodywork are precisely designed, giving a perfect balance between sporty style and functional durability. The tires are rugged tubeless, offering exceptional grip and balance on city streets and highways alike. These tires paired with durable alloy wheels ensure stability during high speed rides and smooth cornering. The tires not only provide performance but also add to the bike's bold, muscular appearance. Moving to the side profile, the sleek and aerodynamic design highlights the powerful 350 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. The polished frame and high-quality finishes showcase attention to detail, while the ergonomic seating position ensures rider comfort even on long journeys. The suspension setup, with telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, provides a smooth, controlled ride across varied terrains. The rear of the bike features an LED taillight for clear visibility and a stylish exhaust that enhances both performance and aesthetics. Rear drum brakes provide dependable stopping power, ensuring safety at every speed. The tail section and rear shocks are designed to handle extra loads without compromising balance or ride quality. Under the hood, the 350 cubic centimeters engine delivers smooth acceleration and reliable power across city and highway conditions. The fuel-efficient engine ensures long rides without frequent refueling. Paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, gear shifts are smooth and responsive, giving a connected and thrilling riding experience. Additional features include a clear analog-digital instrument cluster, ergonomic handlebars for precise control, and high-quality paint and chrome finishes that retain their shine over time. Every element, from the frame to the wheels, from the engine to the brakes, is crafted for durability, efficiency, and rider satisfaction. The new Rajdoot 350-2025 is more than just a bike. It's a combination of style, performance, and practical engineering. Rugged yet refined, powerful yet fuel-efficient. This bike is ready to conquer city roads and highways alike, giving every rider confidence, comfort, and sheer riding pleasure.